channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, as you can see by the face beat. So last week I went to the fashion show, the Mandelabay fashion show, right? So it was very fun, but then I forgot to do my eyes. So this is the type of look you would wear to an awards show, to a fashion show, to a formal event, whatever event that you're going to. So I decided that, you know what, let me do a makeup tutorial. So this is what I have on, and this is what I would have had on the night. So I'll post some pictures for you guys to see and stuff like that. But anyways, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. I've already done my brows, as you can see, and I've already primed them. So right now I'm going to use my Jaclyn Heel palette, as you can see from here, and I'm going to be using this shade right here. So we're going to go in with that shade on the crease. So guys, I'm using my shimmer palette from Beauty Treats, and as you can see, it's all shimmers. So now I'm using this shade. I don't know if you can see this shade, right? This shade. Yeah, I'm using this shade on top of the glitter. This is not your normal eyeshadow glitter. It's just glitter that I got from some store, like a crazy store, you know. But then you have to be careful with this type of glitter because anything can go wrong, mate. Anything can go wrong. Actually, let me spray it with my finger. So now I'm gonna apply my setting spray on my brush, right, and then I'm gonna go in with the glitter. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be fixing my eyes, and I'm going to be using the same shades that I used. So I'm going back in with those shades, because you want to make sure that the glitter is not above. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm so sorry for looking down on this part of the video. Like, I don't know, my mirror was just facing down and that's the direction where I was looking at. I really am so sorry, you guys. I'm gonna clean up my eye and then I'll get back to you guys, and then I'm gonna apply foundation off camera, and then I'll come back and apply concealer, and then yeah. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the final results. I look so girly and gorgeous. Yeah, so please don't forget to like, if you liked the makeup tutorial, the makeup look, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys the next time. Bye.